Under the same sun, our lives are carved so differently. You wouldn't believe they bask in wealth and privilege while we scramble to survive the night. Their freedom's granted with oppression, a birthright to wear with pride. While we keep asking when will our turn come, when will we be truly free? Injustice wears a crown, ruling over our hopes with a silent iron fist. They whisper of liberty, but it's a dream that never touches our hearts. The streets are filled with voices, unheard dreams crushed under heavy feet. But still we walk, we push, we fight for a glimpse of what they take for granted. Talking freedom like a something for every soul, every broken spirit. But reality's a harsh teacher, showing us that justice is far from equal. These chains are visible to some, weigh heavy on those left in the cold. When will we taste the true meaning of liberty, where every voice counts? Freedom for a few, while the many are left behind. Broken and worn, we march forward, hoping to claim the rights that seem so distant. Behind every smile, there's a story of struggle, a fight to be heard. When will the world see? Freedom should be for every beating heart. Too many for a few, while the many are left behind. Broken and worn, we march forward, hoping to claim the rights that seem so distant. Behind every smile, there's a story of struggle, a fight to be heard. When will the world see? Freedom should be for every beating heart. In every corner, there's a tale of those left out in the dark, forgotten. Freedom seems a distant star, shining only for the sworn in the light. Yet we keep fighting, keep hoping that someday we'll break these chains, that one day all of us will rise together, claiming what's rightfully ours. We're talking freedom like it's something for every soul, every broken spirit. But reality's a harsh teacher, showing us that justice is far from equal. These chains are visible to some, weigh heavy on those left in the cold. When will we taste the true meaning of liberty, where every voice counts? Freedom for a few, while the many are left behind. Broken and worn, we march forward, hoping to claim the rights that seem so distant. Behind every smile, there's a story of struggle, a fight to be heard. When will the world see? Freedom should be for every beating heart. Underneath the same flag we stand, but our realities are worlds apart. Let's break the silence, tear down the walls that divide our spirits. No more standing idle while injustice reigns over our hopes and dreams. True freedom comes when every soul can breathe without fear of tomorrow. Freedom for a few, while the many are left behind. Broken and worn, we march forward, hoping to claim the rights that seem so distant. Behind every smile, there's a story of struggle, a fight to be heard. When will the world see? Freedom should be for every beating heart. Freedom is a right, not a privilege for the lucky, the ones in control. Let's make it real, not just a dream that fades with the break of day.